What's up, YouTube? You know what I'm saying? This is Carlitos, also known as Rossi. Welcome back to another episode of Fishing is Life Mafia. You know what I'm saying? Well, today's episode, man, I'm going to be doing a solo bolo run to Eastman Lake out of Merced, California. It's going to be my second time there, but this time I'm going to be taking my little setup, my little boat. I got a little 8-foot Sportsman Sun Dolphin. It's been treating me good. Hey, man, it ain't the biggest boat, it ain't the baddest boat, but goddamn it, it's my boat. You dig? But anyways, man, I want to give a shout out to lovely mommy over there. You know what I'm saying? Doing her thing. Raider Nation in the building. My beautiful Raiderette. I don't know if you can see her. I want to give her a proper shout out. Hey, but anyways, man, she hooked me up with a nice little care package. Got my coffee ready. Got my little snack box. Shit. Your boy, what can I say, man? I'm ready to go catch some fish, you dig? So if you're ready, man, for another episode of Fishing is Life Mafia, then come and fuck with your boy, man. So we're going to be headed out soon, all right? So check this out, man. I got a question, mafiosos. How many of you mafiosos, man, love this type of drive, man? 2-lane road. To me, man, this is beautiful, man. Like, this is what I picture myself in heaven, bro. Just flying on a 2-lane road, man, in the middle of nowhere. Serenity, baby. Oh, yeah. We made it to the Avenue 26. 10 miles to the right. Yeah, let's get it, man. Look at this shit. This out here is beautiful. Man, nothing around, man. No assholes. No bougie ass people. Just me and the open road. Yeah. Oh, my cutty cutthroats, mafiosos, we have made it. We have made it to Eastman. So guys, this right here is my little setup, my little 8-foot Sportsman Sun Dolphin. Like I said, man, this is my little baby. I love it. I'm pulling it on a Nissan. Shit, pulls it all right, man. You know what I mean? But anyways, let's go. The park at Eastman, it's gonna be $5 for the day. Setup. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Remember, guys, always have your life vest. Always. All right. Hopefully we get on, man. There's my little baby right there waiting for daddy. Oh yeah, I told you, man. It's my little mini-me, man, but it's my mini-me. And I love that son of a bitch, you dig? Let's go, let's get it. So guys, this is what I'm gonna be throwing. I'm gonna be throwing this little crankbait, this little deep diver. And then on this pole right here, I'm gonna probably throw a crawdad. So if you guys fished Eastman before, let me know, man. Let me know what to throw. Bro, man. I'm telling you guys, I want to get on a beast, man. Ooh, a little rocky up in this motherfucker. Hey guys, check this out, Mafia. So, where is the spot to fish? Come on, fish. That was a nice catch. God damn it, that This is a nice catch. I'm telling you guys, shit. I'm getting better, man. I'm getting better. I gotta have a bite, guys. Gotta have a damn bite. Ooh, damn. I think that was a bite, guys. I told you. Ooh, I think it was a bite, brother. It had to be. I don't think weeds would go ahead and put you like that, would it? Will weeds do that shit? I don't know, man. I just picked up this pole out of my garage. Whoa! Fail! Damn. What I just did. I'm telling you, man, fishing ain't always fucking peaches and cream and shit. You're gonna fuck up. I tell my son that all the time, man. I said, son, you give me shit. Go out there, throw it, fuck it up. It's okay, man. We all make mistakes. See, I just made one in front of the whole YouTube community. There we go. You can see that cast right there? See, I fucked up, and now this cast right here is Bassmaster cast. You know? Call me cannon arm and shit. I'm gonna give you some raw and uncut shit, man. Oh yeah, if you out here fishing in the shore, be careful, man, because they rattlesnakes and shit. They will get your ass if you fuck with them. This is my little anchor that I have. My little baby. Shit. God damn. That wasn't a good cast at all. That was trash, man. What the fuck? What's going on? You know what? I want to say thank you guys, man. First and foremost, I want to say thank you guys to everyone who's been supporting this channel. You guys are the shit, man. Thank you guys. You guys rock. You guys motivate me, man, to make more videos. And I'm saving up for a GoPro, guys, because I can give you some more action. So I just want to say thank you guys, man. Once again, shout out to all you guys who are leaving comments, man. I'm trying to get back to all y'all. If you want to see something, man, you guys have something to ask me, go ahead and just leave a comment, man, and I'll get back to you. Well, guys, I just had a fail. I lost my fucking anchor, man. Can you believe I lost my anchor, bro? I lost my anchor and I need it. God damn it, man. So it must have got wedged in between some rocks, dude, in the way I couldn't get it out. And trust me, I put the boat in gear and I went in every direction, 360 degrees. Couldn't get it out, man. So I'm without an anchor, man. This is not good at all. Alright, mafiosos, man, we ain't giving up that fucking easy, man. We ain't got an anchor, but damn it, we're gonna be hunting some fish still, man. We gotta hunt some bass. We gotta get on a fish for you guys, man. Hopefully by the grace of the fish guys, we get to hook up on something here at Eastman Lake in Raymond, California, guys. Come on, baby. When it rains, it pours, man. I'm telling you. I lost my fucking anchor. But you know what, man? I was gonna turn around because it's very windy out here. But damn it, I can't do that, man. I gotta get on a fish, man. What's up, YouTube? What's up, YouTube? You know what I'm saying? My mafiosos, man. So today was a fail, you know. I lost my anchor, man. Some more shit. Dude, some great people in the world, man. Some good gente, bro. Hooked me up. So I don't know if it counts or if it does, man. But there's no skunk on this fucking boat right now. And you know, what I'm gonna do is give a shout out to the homeboys who hooked me up, man. So hopefully it goes well. So at YouTube, you know what I'm saying? So this right here is a gente, man. If you guys want to introduce yourself. Yeah, Merced and Canada, bro, doing the damn thing, man. Gracias, guys. You know what I'm saying? I'll show you guys the fish right now that they blessed me with. Look at this baby. Ooh, we getting some nuggets today, baby. All right, my gente, you know what I'm saying? I got my camaradas, bro. They just hooked me up with some secret fucking bait. I can't tell you, man. If I do, I'm gonna have to kill you. You know what I'm saying? The homies hooked it up. And let's see if I can get on a fish for you, man. So this day might not be a fail. This day might be awesome, man. So I'm gonna fish on, mafia. Fish on, baby. Yeah. He's taking me for a fucking ride, homie. Good shit, bro. Gracias. this motherfucker. Bassmasters, homie. That's what we do, man. A huevo. That's right. Woo! That's how we rock, baby. There we go. Come on now, mafia. Hey guys, thank you guys, man, so much, man. This fish for you guys, man. There we go, man. Bassmasters all day. Oh, well, come on. Woo! No skunk. Eastman 2019, baby. Hey, man, dude, I'm just blessed, dude, that God put me right here with you, Wappos, man. Serio. 100 though, man. That's not bullshit, bro. Serio, gracias, bro. But if you're watching, bro, shout out to you and your partner. Gracias, man, for the secret bait. Got me a nice little bass, bro, so there was no skunk today. That was awesome. Damn, that shit was dope, bro. Oh, man, I was like, hey, hold on, cabrón, this shit is going. Damn, that was feeding me, bro. Oh, man, dude, shit. So YouTube. Man, that's what I'm saying, guys. Earlier, man, it was a fucking fail. Earlier, I didn't even want to be here anymore, man. But, you know, I hooked up with some cool-ass people from Merced. Man, he blessed me with this big... Look at that, guys. Man, let's go, bro. We're going to have some nice nuggets with this, baby. Well, my mafiosos, it was an epic day here at Eastman Lake. Meeting a bunch of people, man. Shout out to everybody who helped, you know, get on a fish, helped get me on a fish, as I should say. But today was a success, man. It started off shitty, but hey, you gotta keep at it. You know what I'm saying? Keep at it. Can't give up. Remember that. Can't give up. So what I'm gonna do right now, guys, is I'm gonna go ahead and put the boat on the trailer and then fish these banks out here for some good either catfish or some more bass. So like I said, guys, mafia, baby. What's up, mafia? You know what I'm saying? Carlito's back at it. I'm still here at Eastman. It's going to be 8 o'clock in about 10 minutes. You know what I'm saying? I'm the last person here trying to do what I do, man. Caught one nice bass off of live crawdads. I was blessed. Some dudes that I met gave me a catfish. But anyways, man, I got a catfish, I got a bass. And what I'm using right now was just some live crawdads. Hook, no weight. Got my spools open. So once I see my line running, I'm gonna set that shit. Live crawdads. Oh yeah, look at that bait. Hell yeah, mafia. Didn't I tell you I was gonna stay and catch me another bass? I just did, baby. Fish on. Come on now. This is fish number 3 here at Eastman. Y'all already know. You know what it is, man. Fish number 3, mafia style. That's right, man. All day, all night, man. Beautiful, beautiful. Nice. Let's get this release going. Ready, baby? Nice. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Well, mafia, you know what I'm saying? It's already gonna be 9:14. I've been out here since about 10 o'clock this morning. Man, I told you I was gonna bring you some fish, and goddamn it, I did. Yee! Hey, man, I just want to say, like, comment, and subscribe. I do all this, man, for you and for the love of fishing, man. You know what I'm saying? Carlitos is out. Booyah!